CodeZero and GRC have collaborated together to produce a first-in-the-world digital twin simulation of a GRC Duo SX rack, which has been built in Unreal Engine. As you can see, we're building the tank, and one of the reasons that we've decided to do this project is that we believe the best way to drive growth for immersion is to drive education amongst customers. And there's still a lot of complexities around immersion cooling. A lot of customers don't really understand how the tank works. So we put together a quick simulation where we've modeled the tank in Blender, and you're going to see different parts of the tank, and I'm going to talk you through exactly how the immersion tank actually works. So here we open the doors, and now you can see the CDU in all its glory. We're now going to flip to the top of the rack so you can see the tank from the inside. Populate and build the servers. We've modelled these servers as Dell R750s. They're going to go into the fluid. And once those servers are in, we're going to pan around and we're going to look at the distribution unit, which is a core component of the immersion rack. So here we're going to get a quick glimpse of the distribution unit, and then we're going to spin all the way back round to the CDU. And this is where the magic happens. So we've highlighted the pumps just in case anyone doesn't know what any of those components are. We've now got fresh coolant travelling towards the distribution unit in the bottom pipe highlighted by green. Now you can see the green arrows coming in and the white arrows coming out. That's to say fresh coolant is coming into the rack. As that coolant heats up, it's going to be piped back across to the distribution unit, the CDU, and then we're going to go to the heat plate exchanger in the CDU, and this is just going to simulate effectively that when the hot coolant is coming back through the distribution unit into the heat plate exchanger, chilled water is being piped through the chilled water inlet, and as that chilled water passes the hot coolant, there's a heat exchange. The hot coolant becomes cool, is piped back into the rack, and the hot water is piped out of the tank. And that allows us to capture the heat from the immersion rack. And there you go, it's a couple of minutes, very simple, high level education around how an immersion tank works.